Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Quora account, fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Quora website. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will see options to enter your credentials. If you have an email address registered, enter it in the provided field. Next, type in your password in the designated area. If you prefer, check the box to stay logged in on that device. Alternatively, you can choose to log in with Google or Facebook. To use one of these options, click the corresponding button. Follow the prompts to authenticate via Google or Facebook. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the login button again. You will be redirected to your Quora homepage. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, explore and enjoy your Quora experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.